uZwelinzima Vavi uzama ngokusemandleni ukuzigcina ekhululekile. Kodwa uyavuma ukuthi uhola iCOSATU ehlukene phakathi nedinga ongayibumbanisa. uVavi usethembele ku-ANC ukwenza lokho emhlanganweni wayo oyispecial.
Perhaps in relation to its 29-year history, is the most important. And never ever in my history, and I've been here before COSATU was formed, never in the history of the Federation did I know of a meeting where so much is at stake.
Kunokuqagula okukhulu kokuthi uVavi uzophinde amiswe ngobudlelwano abanabo nomsebenzi osemncane nyakenye.
Do you suspect that there are those that are using this young woman to further their ends and possibly see the back of you in the Federation?
I have views, and that I will say in the right platform. And the right platform will be when I defend myself in court against the 5 claims that have been made by that lady against me.
Olunye udaba okulindeleke ukuthi lube sezithebeni ukuthi ngabe kumele iNUMSA igcinwe ngaphansi kweCOSATU noma cha.
The issue here is, do we have a policy in COSATU against poaching, which is what we do? And do affiliates of COSATU respect that particular policy? If they don't, what then do you do to those that are not respecting that particular policy? I think that's the issue.
Kuzobonakala ke ukuthi ngabe amadlandawonye eCOSATU azokwamukela na lokho okuphakanyiswa yiANC ukuze ihlanganise lo mfelandawonye. Ngimxoli Mngambi, eGoli.